This is your LMAX Exchange technical update for Wednesday, June 7th, 2017. Euro dollar. So the euro continues to extend its run of 2017 highs, with the market now focused on the next key resistance in the form of the August 2016 peak at 113.67 further up. At this point, look for any setbacks to be very well supported, with only a breakback below 111.10 to compromise the constructive outlook for euro dollar. Sterling dollar. So cable has been in the process of consolidating recent gains above previous critical resistance at 127.75, and that break above 127.75 is a critical breakout which forces a shift in the medium term to longer term structure, exposing a test of a next key measure move extension at 135 over the coming days and weeks. Only back below 123.60 would compromise the highly constructive outlook for sterling dollar. Dollar yen. So dollar yen remains under pressure and is now focused on a retest of the 2017 low just ahead of 108. At this point, look for any rallies to be very well capped, with only a breakback above 114.37 to compromise the bearish outlook for dollar yen. Aussie dollar. So Aussie has seen a nice little bounce over the past few sessions, but ultimately this is a market that continues to look like it's topping out, and as such, look for the market to rally to be very well capped ahead of some previous resistance at 76.11 in favor of that next lower top and fresh downside back towards eventually a retest of the December 2016 base at 71.60. Dollar CAD. So despite some consolidation off recent lows, overall dollar CAD remains confined to an uptrend, and the market should be putting in a higher low ahead of a resumption of gains, eventually back above the 2017 high at 137.94, above which exposes a fresh upside extension to the 142 area. At this point, any setbacks should be very well supported, with only a breakback below 132.20, a previous higher low, to compromise the constructive outlook for dollar CAD. Kiwi dollar. So this latest break above 71 has delayed the immediate bearish outlook, but overall, the bearish outlook remains intact and the market should be very well capped into rallies, with only a breakback above 72.50 to compromise the bearish outlook for Kiwi dollar. SPX 500. The S&P 500 continues to push to fresh record highs, and the market is expected to trade up towards a potential measure move upside extension at 24.80 in the days ahead. At this point, only a breakback below 23.20 would compromise the highly constructive outlook for the S&P 500. Gold. So gold has just broken to a fresh 2017 high above that previous peak at 12.96, and this opens the next major upside extension towards a retest of the 2016 peak at 13.75 further up. At this point, only back below 12.15 would compromise the highly constructive outlook for gold.